Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 18 and you can check our previous episodes on our channel. In the last episode we have covered 3 words. The first word was repercussion. It is a countable noun, and if an action or event has repercussions, it causes unpleasant things to happen sometime after the original action or event. Second word was obstacle. It is a countable noun, and an obstacle is an object that makes it difficult for you to go where you want to go because it is in your way. The third word was dictator. It is a countable noun, and a dictator is a ruler who has complete power in a country, especially power which was obtained by force and is used unfairly or cruelly. Before we move to our next words, I want to announce that if you want to check your essays or letters by professional, you can join our Facebook group and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Now let's move to our first word. It is attorney, and in the United States, an attorney or attorney at a law is a lawyer. The synonyms could be lawyer, solicitor, counsel, advocate. The example is a prosecuting attorney. The collocations related to this word can be district attorney, power of attorney, attorney general. And the plural form of attorney is attorneys. The second word is ministry. It is a countable noun, and in Britain and some other countries, a ministry is a government department which deals with a particular thing or area of activity. For example, trade, defense, or transport. Let's look at the synonyms. Department, office, bureau, a government department. The example could be the Ministry of Justice. Let's look at the collocations. Create ministry, attach to ministry, head ministry, health ministry, ministry official. Let's look at the other things. The plural is ministries. Let's look at the third word. It is racism. It is an uncountable noun, and racism is the belief that people of some races are inferior to others and the behavior which is the result of this belief. Racism also refers to the aspects of a society which prevent people of some races or groups from having the same privileges and opportunities as people from other races. Let's go for the synonyms. Racial discrimination, racial prejudice. Let's go for the example. A campaign to combat racism. Let's jump to the collocations. Institutional racism, against racism, racism in something, racism and sexism. Let's go for the grammar part, and I don't think so there are other word forms of this word. And in the next video we will cover the word conviction, acne, menace, and many more. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the description box. Thank you.